someone?
I have three most special gifts I have given to someone. First is time, because giving time is show how you love a person, and time cannot be bought. Second is my kindness. Kindness because it symbolizes love that makes it perfect. And of course, the last is my love. Love because it never fades. And like the time, it cannot be bought. And it will never fade. Like love that we give each other. And of course, even if material things can make people happy, but still, love is the most valuable, special, and important thing we can offer and give to someone. And I can't stop thinking of it.
All right, thank you very much. Yeah, number 10.
Yes, the best things in life are